IDO token, Moovy.
Let's start with this.
Moovy is the world's first driving metaverse featuring game FI and social FI elements. Moovy is a project that combines driving and earning. It allows users to drive real-world cars, earn cryptocurrency rewards, and socialize with others. The platform utilizes cutting-edge technologies, including blockchain, DeFi, and Gamify. It also features a proprietary drive-to-earn infrastructure, allowing users to earn MGAS tokens and use them to purchase items within the game or exchange them for fiat currency. The platform takes socializing to the next level with its social FI elements. Moovy enables users to create their own clubs and invite other drivers from around the world to join them in exciting challenges and activities. This feature is under development. Along with Drive to Earn, users can also participate in various gaming events, including tournaments, rallies, and golden rallies, which offer attractive rewards in the form of crypto tokens. At Moovy, they believe that everyone should have the opportunity to earn from doing something they enjoy, such as driving.
Guys getting along or any...
That's why they offer a variety of gaming events, including tournaments, rallies, and golden rallies, which offer attractive rewards in the form of crypto tokens. Overview: Project Industry Gaming and VR, product type platform. Founded Russian Federation. Token info: ticker, MOIL, type, utility token, token price in USD. 1 MOIL equals $0.25. Accepted currencies: ETH, BTC, BNB, USDT, BUSD. Token distribution in percent: public round 1, public round 2, 82, IGO 28, founders 10, advisors 2, team members 3. HAOL rewards pool 3, P2E treasury 30, ecosystem fund 20, pool reward 7, marketing 14, 45, partnership program 2.05. Details: IDO Garin Launchpad, March 30, 2023, April 1st, 2023. Token supply: 1 billion MOIL. Legal registration country: United Arab Emirates. Registration year: 2022. Moovy roadmap: Q1 2023 open beta version. For Moovy closed test drive: Q1 2023 ready steady earn. Get ready to be blown away by the next generation of gaming with their latest release. Drive to Earn main mechanics for earning MGAS tokens by driving a car. Rally special gaming modes for group ridings with specific goals. Includes leaderboard and special benefits for participants. Bplace integration: Moovy secondary market is built on Bplace. Bid integration: simple technology of login system into wallet and Bplace. We have come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe, share and like my video for more upcoming ICO and IDO tokens.